Welcome to EDUvelopment's Career Guidance Hub. Today we're exploring the role of chiropractors, healthcare professionals who enhance musculoskeletal health and overall well-being by helping patients manage pain and improve physical function. Chiropractors specialize in diagnosing and treating neuromusculoskeletal conditions, with a focus on spinal health. Using manual adjustments, they correct misalignments, improve mobility, and alleviate pain. Chiropractors provide hands-on care to treat issues like back, neck, and joint pain while promoting long-term wellness. Chiropractors assess patients through physical exams, medical histories, and diagnostic tests like X-rays. They create customized treatment plans, including spinal adjustments, soft tissue therapy, and lifestyle recommendations. Patient education on preventive care and collaboration with other healthcare professionals are also key responsibilities. Chiropractors typically work in private practices, wellness centers, or multidisciplinary clinics. Their workspaces are equipped for hands-on treatments with tools like adjustable tables. While most maintain regular business hours, some offer flexible schedules to accommodate patients' needs. The job is physically demanding, requiring stamina for performing adjustments. In South Africa, chiropractors must complete a master's degree in chiropractic, including a 4-year bachelor's program followed by a master's degree, both accredited by the Allied Health Professions Council of South Africa, AHPCSA. Key skills include precision in manual adjustments, strong interpersonal communication, and a deep understanding of spinal health. Chiropractors can specialize in fields like sports medicine, pediatric care, or geriatric wellness. They may pursue advanced certifications or expand their practices with complementary therapies. With growing interest in holistic treatments, chiropractic care offers stable demand and opportunities for private practice success. Chiropractic care combines hands-on expertise with a holistic approach to health and wellness. To learn more about becoming a chiropractor, visit EDUvelopment.com and explore other careers in our Career Guidance Hub. Own your life.